Hello, everybody. We're Botanical. My name's Cynthia. This is Taylor, Brooke, Gina, Chris, Jesse, and Bridget. We're a really large team.
This is why it's so awesome.
It's kind of, this idea was to do an automated gardening system. We've incorporated the Edison to upload data sensors, to upload data that we've acquired using the sensors to a Heroku database, and we're kind of reading input on our front-end web application as seen here. So we didn't realize that our Grove starter kit didn't have a moisture sensor, but we were using temperature, light, and the motor function to act as a watering valve. So that's that.
Awesome.
So for the front end, we have a database. We're talking to the database that we're adding. We can add data from the users. Here, they can add a plant, and that will be sent to the database and show up here. And then, so the users get to pick several fields, but then the data, like its current temperature and current light, are pulled in from the Edison. So then this one's been attached to the Edison. This is the information that the user inputs. And then down here is this is the temperature chart that we were able to pull in from the Edison. So that happens on interval. I'm not sure.
Oh, it's red.
Yeah, it's hard to see, but.
Yeah, sorry, it's kind of hard to see. We just got that in at the end, so.
Nice.
So that now you know when our figures were done and when it doesn't.
Does anyone have any questions about our project?
I'd be curious about how you approach your use in the theme of sustainable cities.
Oh, right. So the idea is that we didn't quite get this far yet, but
There you go.
One of the things that we feel is that a lot of our food is sent from other places on ships.
I have no idea why it does that.
It's sent on ships and semi-trucks and creates traffic and pollution. A lot of our food has pesticides and things on it. So how nice is it to have food that comes from your home? You can pick it and it's fresh, doesn't require refrigeration. You know where it's been and it's not sprayed with pesticides. We think it can create healthier people, less traffic, less pollution. It can create a kind of enjoyable thing to do. And it works in an urban environment where people are busy and don't have a lot of space. So this makes the growing of food much easier and accessible to people who are busy living in an urban environment.
Okay, so is this more of an individual use case, or is it on a larger scale? How do you envision using this, what you've designed, and future?
I imagine it could be accessible to anyone that has a home.
Okay.
So we can use it to be able to know when our plants need to be watered, if they're wilting, or if we have maybe we have a big heat wave that comes in, and at temperature, we're in Colorado on vacation or something, and we can actually log into the database, say, turn on our water, or we can have it set up where it's checking periodically, and if we have a watering system where it waters every night, and we know that it's a temperature is at a certain level for a certain period of time, but maybe we should also water in the morning, and so it'll double the watering frequency in order to accommodate for the heat.
My last question is, how is this tied in the internet, or is this just a local server running?
So this is actually launched on Heroku. So we're actually running an express server with RESTful routes. And basically the Intel Edison is just logging in with your username and also the name of the plant that you've hooked it up to. And then it's basically just sending a post request to that URL endpoint. And that's what's updating the database, which is a Mongo in the back end. And so then you can actually then look on the actual web page for the data that as it's updated by your Intel Edison.
Okay, and it's not tied to anything else if this then that or anything like that?
You mean?
No. Okay. Okay. Cool. Any other questions?
No, you got them all.
Awesome. Well,
right,
thanks,
thank you.
guys. Yay!
Awesome job, you guys. And you were the first team under 5 minutes. So exciting. So I was